look. Right there. It's a deer. It's a deer. That's your deer. Oh my God. All right, David, are you ready to get a big buck or what?
You bet. Hammer down.
Hammer down. It's opening day of the rifle hunt. We're heading out, and it's supposed to be really windy today, and tomorrow it's gonna be snowing all day. So we'll see what kind of bucks this brings in, or if it just keeps them down. So wish us luck. All right, we've been here for about an hour, just kind of parked. Now we're gonna hike up this little drainage and see if we can find those bucks. Hopefully something's there. Hopefully it's good stuff. You can see, oh, there he is. I wonder if that's that goofy buck. I can see a butt of one. Hope not anymore. They're gonna be going through that gap, that little gap. You see the gap I'm talking about? Here, come around this. They're gonna be walking through here. Okay, I'm looking at it. Oh, there they are, yeah. One doe just crossed the gap. Here comes more. Another doe, another, that's the unicorn buck. And then here's, that's Wren, then Stimpy. And Tank's not with him, that's not good.
Those last two are bucks, aren't they?
Yeah.
How big are those back two bucks?
Those videos I showed you, the tall ones?
Yeah.
That's them.
Crap.
Here, David. He's coming out. Or a doe is coming out. Oh, there's the unicorn buck. They're getting ready to feed out. There's that buck. Hey, you want to shoot this buck? Look. Yep. I'll take you. Okay. You feel good right here? Okay. He's coming out of that tree. Yeah, right next to that dead tree. Just to the left of it. He's feeding with his head down, facing left. Here comes the unicorn buck. And then that buck you're wanting to shoot is on the left side of that tree, quartering.
See his butt?
Yeah, he's kind of quartering to the left. He's just got that doe behind him. Pushed off unicorn buck. Oh, that's a buck behind him is that little 2-point, that fork and horn. I don't see anything else coming out.
Which one of those three is
He
he?
is
one on
the one on the left, yeah, with his head up.
He's walking now.
He stopped right there. That would be a good shot, I think, if you wanted it. Oh, now he's moving up. His butt's towards us. He's gonna push off that other buck.
I'm scared to shoot with those does around him.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Because if I'm off at all, I don't want to hit one of them.
Yep, I don't blame you. Especially right there, he's in a tight cluster.
I'm scared he's going to get up in those trees.
Yeah, he might.
I've got no shot there with that doe in front of him.
Hopefully she'll move, then he'll turn broadside maybe. I don't think that would be a bad shot if he wanted to take it. Oh, below him. The other deer's still out, but he hit the cedars. That was about 5 feet below him.
Wow.
The does are still out.
He scrambled, huh?
Yeah.
I can see all the does out.
Yeah, he scrambled, he ran up.
I was holding right at the top of his back and I was 5 feet low.
Yeah.
Something's wrong there.
It was good horizontally. Like if it was up high, it would have been in his vitals.
Dang it.
Hey, we had an opportunity. And it's just opening day. So we got out here this morning an hour early and sat and waited for light. Started walking and found a buck right up to the tree line early. So we were kind of a little down about that. And then we got up this way a little further and got set up because we seen a bunch of deer running across this hillside. We got set up and they ran to the trees real quick, but there's 3 bucks of them. There's Ren, Stimpy, Unicorn Buck, and this 3-point that I don't really recognize, but I'm sure I've got him on video before. But we waited and they ended up coming back out and feeding, but the 3 bigger bucks didn't. But that 3-point came out and he's not a bad little 3x3. And we were waiting for him to turn broadside. He turned broadside, gave us a shot. He took a shot. It was perfect horizontally. It would have been in his vitals, but it was just low. So just needs to hold up a little higher, and now we know. And those deer weren't too scared, so we think they'll come back out. Hopefully this evening. We're supposed to get some snow tomorrow, so we'll see what happens with this weather and what it does to the deer. But opening morning, had a close opportunity, and that's the best thing you can ask for. Anything to say? So we'll see what else we can do. Okay, it's the evening, it's 5:30. We're getting into our spot where we were this morning. On the way in, we've seen 2 vehicles leaving already because it's windy as crap, which means we have a high possibility of not seeing anything because they're going to be bedded until this wind settles down or until the storm gets here. It's supposed to snow tonight, so but yeah, we're going to get wrecked. Won't know unless you try. We're committed. He's going to the right. see him? He's... Oh, he's in the dirt. He went behind that dirt. Here, close. Okay, I got him. He's coming out to the right. He's walking slow. He's walking slow. He's to the right. I want you to shot about 50 yards. He's standing broadside. Oh, is he down? Hold on a second. I don't know, hold on. He's laying down right behind that tree. I wonder if I can see it. Let's see. See him? Right in a tree. He's gonna die. His head's going down. Hey, I don't want to celebrate yet, but aren't you glad that you missed this morning? That's a nice looking buck. As you can see, we got some snow, and it's supposed to be snowing until 11 o'clock. But yeah, we're gonna head out there. Same thing as we did yesterday. We're gonna see if we can find a buck for me, if Tank's out there, and if he's not, we'll move in and go to where we last saw David's buck, glass for him, and go from there. So that's the plan. Disturb the tracks because the tracks. Okay, I can't escape it anymore. Look, right there. It's a deer. It's a deer. That's your deer. Hell. So I said, you're like, that was the stick. I'm like, I don't think that's the log. I think he was further. Dude, he's a cool buck. Woo! Jeez. Oh my gosh, dude. That was scary.
Symmetrical. As stiff as he is, he's been dead all night.
Oh yeah, he died quick. He didn't. So we've got that buck drugged down pretty close. but our hands got real cold, so we had to come back to the truck. We're trying to warm up, and we're gonna go back and finish dragging them and get them gutted and get them out of here. So, how do you feel, David? You excited?
Oh, I'm ecstatic.
Heck yeah.
What a day.
What a day. What a day.